What is the slope of the line through -2, 1, and 2, -5 in the standard XY coordinate plane? If you want to try to work this problem out now, you can pause the video. Now, probably the simplest way to work this problem would be to use the slope formula. So we know to find the slope when given 2 points. We can use the slope formula, which is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Now, it doesn't matter which one you make your first ordered pair and which one you make your second, as long as you are consistent. So obviously in the first ordered pair, this is your x value, this is your y. And then this is your x value, and this is your y. So I'm going to call the red one x1, y1. And I'm going to call the green one x2, y2. So now when I substitute those into my formula, it's going to be y2, which is -5. There's a built-in minus, and then y1, which is 1, over x2, which is 2, built-in minus, x1, which is -2. So now look and simplify the numerator. -5 minus 1, those numbers have the same sign, so we add and keep the sign. Now look at the denominator, 2 minus -2. Well, whenever a number has two signs, minus a negative, we want to rewrite that as one sign. So minus a negative rewrites to be positive. 2 plus 2 is 4. And now simplify that fraction. -6 over 4 reduces to be -3 over 2. So the slope should be -3 over 2, which means my correct answer here is D.